Okay, so today I was kind of bored, had nothing to do. I sent out something to someone, and it now just gets here. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I sent my Joy-Cons out to Nintendo so that way they can be prepared, because they were stick drifting and it was getting annoying as hell. So, sent them out. Now the return, it did say it was going to come at like 9, like at night, but I guess it came here earlier. So hopefully, these are the Joy-Cons, because if not, then somebody must have found my address and sent me fan mail. Which I am thinking about doing in the future, but that will come to when I have more subscribers. So I already cut it open. I'm already in the process of cutting it open. My handy dandy thumbtack. Let's see. I should probably position the camera a bit more. Okay. Inside the box we have packing peanuts. Alright, let's see here. Okay, just papers, more papers. To ensure so those are just papers. Here we go. My Joy-Cons. Now, of course, I did get. Oh, I must have vacuum sealed them. Of course, I did send in like 4 pairs, or not 4 pairs, but like 4 Joy-Cons. So, sent in my red and blue ones, and it looks like they. And I sent in my gray ones. These are the ones that I originally had. So I guess this is an unboxing of Joy-Cons. Now, let's just grab the Switch. There we go. Grab my Switch. Alrighty. It's dusty or something. Nope, that's lead. That is pencil lead. Fun. Alright. Let's see the gray controllers. Now, I don't have a photo of what they looked like earlier, but I do know that they had bite marks from my dog and like these rubber bits were ripped off. So the problems that I had with the gray ones was that they would not press down, so now they press down. This one would not move left and right, so let's test this out real quick. Sweet. This is so cool. Now, let's just go into calibration mode real quick. Make sure that there's no problems. Let's see. Calibrate. Sorry. And it's showing no sign of drift. My Gary controllers work like a charm. Now, let's see about the red and blue ones. So the blue one just had a problem with drifting, and the red one had nothing wrong with it, but I sent it in just to make sure that there was nothing wrong. So, no driftage. No driftage. Now maybe I might make a video of like how to like prepare your Joy-Cons and get them sent out to Nintendo. As I said, maybe I'll do that, maybe. But yeah, this is just a video to show that like how well they did. Let's just say that. So, if you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys all later. Quickly, editor, think of some random skit.
Man, I really wish I had a Switch.
These are mine now. Oh crap, there's a camera.